Hey guys, what's going? Today I'm going to be showing you all of the starters for Tinker. If you're starting at Tinker, oh wait, it logged me on my account. Okay, login. It logged me on my account just then. That doesn't matter. Okay, so I am going to show you all of the stuff. So press on blink, block coding, and then it'll come up with an actor. Delete the actor. If you want it to be like a real game, delete the actor, because this is just a walking character. Look, it's just a walking character, so you don't need that. So what you need to do is to go into stage, press on stage, and then press on the cross, and then press on platformer 2 times. And then it'll come up with these. You can pick to use realistic grass, which is this grass, and the fake grass, which is this one. I'm gonna use the realistic one. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah. Also, if you mess it up, just press on the wall and the rubber. Okay. Oh, oops. Oopsies. So then you want to keep adding it. Keep doing that until it's done. Okay, it's done. Oh, oops, it's not. Okay, there. And then you're going to want to add a character. Press on the smiley face person, and then grab this one out if you're a boy. But if you want to use it and you're a girl, that's fine. I'm not the creator of this game. It's all your choice. And since I'm a boy, I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to press on hat, and I'm going to press on that. And then, since it's going to be like the hero, you're going to want to make it look like the hero. Okay, this is good. And then there has to be a villain. Well, your game doesn't have to have a villain, but since I'm just doing this, I'm going to add in a villain. Just kidding. Oh yeah, this one is without coding, so you don't need coding for this. So then you can add these. And then that. And then that. It's kind of going to be like a Super Mario game, except that it's not. You know what I mean? Okay, and then 3, 2, 1, there. Okay, now you can play, and then it has an animation to it. Press on the arrow key, and then it'll let you jump, and then press on the front arrow key, which will let you jump again. But the point of this game is to avoid the coins. Just kidding. The point to the game is to actually get the coins. And now that you have got the coins, you win the game. But just to make it more challenging, you can add a bad guy, which is at the end. So let's just move that. Oh yeah, if you're going to put a bad guy at the end, you're going to want to add more grass, because otherwise he's going to just fall off of the edge and it's not going to be a fun sight. Okay, so just quickly do this. Just keep doing that until it's all full. If you really think about it, putting all of the grass everywhere is kinda, you know, like, I forgot the name for it, but it's like, oh my god, it's like so satisfying. Yeah, that's the word. Satisfying. Oh wait, I forgot. You have to add a bad guy if you want that to be like a bad guy. But but I'm pretty sure the bad guy's gonna fall off the edge. So I'm gonna add a brick wall. Maybe that big. And there we go. Now we just gotta fill all of this in. I think these bricks is like so satisfying. Okay, there. And then you can add your bad guy, which I'm going to just make it be him. And then your game can start. Just get all the coins. And then you can fight him. Fight. But I don't really know how to fight. But, oh yeah, I just died. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Or I hope this was helpful. Bye.